Hello, this is Jonathan Cohen with the Law Office of Jonathan P. Cohen, PA. We are construction, surety, and business attorneys here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This video is not legal advice. It's intended to be for educational purposes only. If you're applying for a contractor's license, you may be wondering, does my financial situation have any bearing on whether I get a license in this state? And the answer is yes. And that is because the Department of Business and Professional Regulation, also known by the short name of the DBPR, looks at an applicant's financial responsibility and financial stability in determining whether the individual is qualified to contract in this state. When looking at financial responsibility, the department will review an applicant's credit report to determine necessary credit, necessary reputation for engaging in contracting in this state, and also indications of financial responsibility that will assure avoidance of problems involving financial mismanagement and misconduct. When the department is looking at things like financial stability, they will drill down into credit score, as well as set requirements for minimum levels of net worth, cash, and bonding capacity. There are a few areas that will result in an automatic denial. If you find that one of these applies to you, make sure you take steps to have it resolved before you go further in the application process. And when it comes to financial responsibility, if your credit report indicates that you have any unsatisfied judgments or liens, that is grounds for denial right off the bat. So if any of those apply to you, make sure you have that judgment satisfied. You have that lien satisfied and a satisfaction recorded in the public records. When it comes to financial stability, if your credit score is less than a 660, that is grounds for denial as well. But it's not the end of the road. If your credit score is below a 660, you can take a 14-hour financial responsibility course that will help compensate for that lower than acceptable score. So, right when you think that maybe your financial situation will have no bearing on your contractor's license, you better think again, because it does. The department will look at your financial responsibility and stability for determining whether you are competent and qualified to engage in contracting in this state. If you have any questions about licensing issues or any other aspect of construction law in Florida, contact the Office of Jonathan P. Cohen, PA in Fort Lauderdale. Phone number 954-462-8850, 954-462-8850. Email info, info, at jcohenpa.com, jcohenpa.com, info at jcohenpa.com. Thank you. Have a great day.